on over to 12 Panorama in Pasatiempo. This is a beautiful home. And the whole upstairs is your primary suite. And you can get up here either through the stairs or this awesome elevator, this glass elevator. We have indoor, outdoor living space, California living. Isn't it gorgeous? Come on by.
I know, right? Well, I didn't know what to expect, so I didn't want to.
This upstairs suite is all for the primary residence. We have a beautiful suite, spa suite right here. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Smoking tub with an awesome view.
Hi, at today's Broker Open at 12 Panorama Lane, we are raffling off a bottle of champagne and 4 gift certificates for the golf course restaurant. So please come by for your chance to win one of these prizes and have some breakfast. See you soon.
So come on by today. We're here for a broker tour, and I look forward to meeting you. Bye.